Yep, it's Chad here from Carl Broman Medical Center in the Respiratory Care Department. This is just a quick tutorial on the specifics of a heated wire BIPAP circuits in light of our recent supply chain restrictions. We've been having a little bit of trouble getting our foundational circuit, and at times we've had to use our heated wire for the applications of non-invasive positive pressure ventilation. So just wanted to make sure everybody knew what all of these structures were. So here, for us, we are not going to be applying the heater. And so this MR290 dome is set to the side. This extension tubing that would go from the machine to the MR290 we will not use. And then this is an extension piece that is distal to the temperature probe. Not going to use this. So these things, not going to use. There is your exhalation port and proximal pressure tubing. This is the interface that will go to the machine. So to the machine, following it through. Then here is your temperature probe port. Obviously we're not going to use this. We're just using this as a BiPAP circuit without a heater. So we can just keep this plugged. Temperature probe is always distal to the flow source. And then this will be your exhalation port. It'll go there, which is going to connect with the mask. We have our HEPA filter, doing this one-handed. And there we go. And then, of course, proximal pressure tubing will go right to the machine. Okay, so there's the mask. We got a HEPA filter, exhalation device, circuit that then goes to the machine. And you're not going to use these guys over here. I did want to make a quick note. As we are getting some alternative solutions in regard to the BiPAP circuits, you're going to notice that the model that we are able to get is going to have an extra limb on here. It's going to have, it'll look like a T. Well, you want to cut that off or pull it off. It can come right out of there. For those of you that are new, this is how we used to do it in the old days. And then we've got new circuits where we didn't have to do that. So you're going to have to cut that T off, or you're going to have an open flow source for leaks, and the machine is going to have difficulty reading pressures and whatnot. So just a little FYI for you. Hope that helps out, guys.